The last time I uploaded here was 4 years ago, and I had no idea what life was about to look like. Since that time, I've graduated from the university. I have been working as a product designer, both full time and freelance. I've attempted running a business selling pancakes. I have put myself in every space that gives me an opportunity to learn. I've been chasing opportunities that I didn't know where they would land me, trying to create memories, exploring, my hobbies, and just trying to learn more about myself, trying to stay healthy and alive. And it all led to this. I'm moving to Rwanda to get my master's degree on a fully funded scholarship by MasterCard, baby. Let's go.
Join me as I show you guys my luxurious hair.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you.
Hi. So I ordered some stuff from Temu and my orders just arrived. So they are at the gate and I'm going to go and pick them up. I'm so excited. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I'll come on. If you use the other, you can show in the video if you want to. It's not. If you want.
So, welcome to our Timo. Wait, no. Welcome to our Timo unboxing video.
Nylon.
Whatever it is. This is the size of the thing compared to my head. And then, like, compared to my small head and compared to her big head. So,
Yeah, I don't have time.
so let's start.
You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you.
That's sorry, guys. She bought this lucky no baby, my Valentine. Can I do the making what the marriage if you leave me a good time? I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be loving the body. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your heart. Never did I open up, make us feel. You're my love one. You like you got my
Join me as I show you guys my luxurious hair. I got it from Somi Luxury. Please help me shake that hair. Shake it. Can you guys see how it is? This hair is 1 in a million. So
See the
if
strands.
you have, like, look at the strands. No, like, get it out. Bring it out. Like, see. Look at this. Look at this. Can you see? Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? See, so if you have a girlfriend and you really want to treat her nice, you want her to love you, you want her to just like can never leave you. All these guys that say that my woman this, my woman that. She doesn't care about me, this, that. If you get out this hair, nigga, she's always gonna care about you. So contact.
Change, but let me know if I'm out of order for stepping to you this way. See, I've been watching you for a while, and I just gotta let you know that I'm really feeling
I'm only carrying one book.
style. Cause I had to know your name.